The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government in conjunction with the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. Just a few hours ago, the United States government, including other governments in different countries, has reports of a dangerous war coming very, very soon. Not just any war, it's a demonic war. Instead of two countries battling each other, it will be two kingdoms fighting. The kingdoms that will be fighting are the Demonex Kingdom and the dark side of the Demonex Kingdom. The king's name of the Demonex Kingdom is Tirek, and the king's name of the dark side is Amok. It has been confirmed that Amok started this war because he wants to take the throne and be the new king of Demonex. It is unknown when the war will start, but we advise all residents to be prepared for what's coming. Grab necessary supplies like food, water, medical supplies, a flashlight, and a battery-powered or hand-crank radio. After gathering supplies, find an underground or fallout shelter to protect your life. If there is no shelter near your area, local authorities will lead you to one. We advise all residents not to panic, as panicking will only make the situation worse. Stay tuned to media outlets for more information on this dangerous situation.
If you crave jumbo shrimp, come to Red Lobster for sweet coconut shrimp, shrimp scampi, or crunch fried shrimp, each with biscuits and salad for just $10.99. Only at Red Lobster.
For the seafood lover in you.
Max, go get the paper. Good boy. Now I go the extra step with my new stepometer. It comes in the new Go Active Adult Happy Meal, along with a bottle of water and one of 4 premium salads from McDonald's. Max, get the mail.
Wow, stuffed chicken marsala, stuffed chicken limone. Sounds good.
Sounds good. Can you actually hear them being stuffed with 4 Italian cheeses? Can you hear the creamy marsala sauce? Is the limone calling?
It's supposed to be.
It's obviously Italian.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, NASA has discovered Demonex creatures flying in the atmosphere. The United States government has confirmed that the demonic war has now begun. All residents in the United States are advised to seek shelter immediately. If there are no shelters in your area, the military will come to your location and lead you to one. Failing to find shelter or disobeying orders will result in death. If there are no shelters whatsoever, then evacuate if your area is close to the war zone. Once again, this is not a test. You are advised to seek shelter or evacuate immediately. Stay tuned to media outlets for more information on this life-threatening situation.
All clear. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is an all-clear message for the whole United States. The threat to humanity is now over. However, there is significant damage all across the United States. It will take a while for repairs, but will be fixed, and better than ever. The demonic war is now officially over. Although, it is currently unknown who will be the next king, as both of the two kings have now fallen. Your government thanks you for your cooperation. You may exit your shelters now. Message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. At 12:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, there have been reports of giant Titan-like robots destroying the whole country, and even different countries too. All residents in the United States are advised to evacuate immediately, as these Titans can destroy shelters. Unfortunately, the United States military can't destroy the Titans, as these Titans are immune to missiles. However, the Giants, Angelics, and Christian, Prince of Demonics, will try their best to take these Titans down. Everyone must evacuate to a safe place. The safe places are Texas, New Mexico, Arizona, New York, and California. Everyone must evacuate to those safe areas. Evacuate now. I repeat, evacuate now.
Listen, just as Caesar arouses your senses, when my fire embraces chicken marinated in citrus and spices, chicken becomes your passion. I am El Caliente, master of the El Pollo Loco flame. That is why women want to dine with me, and men want to grill like me.
Free your passion with a free Mexican Caesar salad with any 8, 10, or 12-piece meal.
El Pollo Loco! Taste the fire.
We serve large portions of the best meats. The parapet has the best bread. Look at the bread. And that is the side of the sugar. Make me go to bread and everything. It's your choice of the and the turkey sandwich. 2 side dishes.
Instructions will follow. This is an emergency action notification, blah blah blah, you already get it. I'm saying that because y'all should already know what to do when this happens. So let's just move on. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 1:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, NASA has been reporting green Demonex creatures flying in the sky, and there are more of those Titans that has wrecked almost the whole United States. It appears that a much son, named Ronov, is starting a war with the prince of Demonex named Christian. However, Christian has his friends on his side to fight off these Titans and these evil creatures. Christian's friends will be taking care of the Titans and the evil Demonex creatures, and Christian will be taking out Ronov once and for all. All residents in the United States, or of course, the whole world, must evacuate from the war zone immediately. The United States military, including the young bombers, will be escorting you to a shelter. The president is currently being taken to an undisclosed location and is unable to speak due to this crisis. Let's make it through this together and light our hopes up for Christian Prince of Demonex. Good luck, and God bless you and the United States of America. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is an all-clear message for the whole United States. Fortunately, Christian's friends have managed to defeat the evil Demonex creatures and the Titans, and Ronov has now been defeated by Christian. Christian is now the new king of Demonex, and peace has now been restored. The threat to the whole world is now officially over. However, there is complete destruction across the entire globe, and it may take months or years for repairs. Your government thanks you for your cooperation, and would like to give a huge thanks to Christian, also known as Dareth, and his friends for saving the world. You may exit your shelters now. Normal programming may now resume.
of the night solution. 'Cause every night I will make it right, and every night I will come to you. But every night it just stays the same in my dream of the night solution. And you'll see what will be, and you'll see all you can be. Every night, there's every night, there's every night, I will dream, and you'll see.